Hi friends, welcome to Jilan Math Academy YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to define the sine value with respect to any acute angle. So before going to topic, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon. And one more advice for you. In middle of this video, please don't leave out or cut it until complete this video. Now let us start the video. So definition of all six trigonometric ratios. So this is the one of the right angle triangle. Take it is A, it is B, it is C. So in a right angle triangle ABC, in A, right angle triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. So this B is 90 degree. So if it is B is 90 degree, what do you say? Angle E and angle C. So angle A and angle C both are less than 90 degree. So both are acute angles. Let it take any one of this acute angle. You can select it any one of the acute angle. Let I am going to taking A. Let angle A is equal to theta. It is acute angle. So in this right angle triangle, what do you say? Let angle A is equal to theta. It means it's acute angle. So it is a theta. Now see what is the relation between side and what is the relation between sides and angle. It means this theta with respect to theta. So BC, what is the position of BC with respect to this theta? With respect to this theta, it is appearing directly, clearly. It is opposite side. It means BC is the opposite side. What is AB with respect to theta? So it is the adjacent side. So write first BC. BC is the opposite side of angle A. AB adjacent side of angle A. And also what do you call AC? AC is the hypotenuse. AC is the, so APAC is the hypotenuse. Now let is, so the trigonometric ratios defined as follows. So the trigonometric ratios, defined as follows. So the trigonometric ratios defined as follows. So first one, sine, the sine value of an angle. Sine value of an angle. So the sine value of an angle. First one, what is this definition of sine angle of an angle in a right angle triangle? See here, in a right angle triangle, in a right angle triangle, the ratio of In a rectangle triangle, the ratio of opposite side of an angle and hypotenuse is called sine value of an angle. Sine value of an angle. So, in a right angle triangle, the ratio of opposite side of an angle and the hypotenuse is called sine value of an angle. So, the sine value of angle is denoted by the sine value of an angle is denoted by sine of angle A sine of angle A or sin A or sin theta. Now here sin A or sin theta is so opposite side of angle A opposite side of angle A by hypotenuse. So this is the definition. So simply you should write sin theta is equal to opposite side of angle A. What do you call opposite side of angle A? The opposite side of angle A is BC. So BC by AC. BC by AC. Here sin A also. And also similarly if you want to select A on the time BC by AC, if you want to taking theta is C on the time, so sin theta sin C is equal to C here. If you want to selecting sin here, if you want to selecting theta is C on the time, what is the opposite side with respect to C? So it is the AB. AB is the opposite side. So you should write AB is the opposite side. And also hypotenuse, always hypotenuse. So you should take hypotenuse AC. So this is the definition of sine value of an angle. I hope enjoyed my video. Do subscribe, do share it. If you like it, check my YouTube channel Jilan Maths Academy. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.